Hey guys,
We are back with more unboxing.
a lot more.
Yeah, we have some of the same old things, like the Munchlings, and we got some new things.
Fill the fridge, the Disney Store Edition mini brands, the mini brands Create, the mini brands Fridge.
Last time we just got the Fox, and we weren't too thrilled about them.
And we said we wouldn't get them again.
We got more Cats versus Pickle, and we got these Meows Glow Figure Collection. You get 5.
So we're gonna start with the Cat versus Pickle. We're gonna start with our like doubles of everything.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna move on to the singles. I just seen it.
Oh, he's backwards. Everest, just keep climbing.
I got a pistachio.
Oh, cute. We will do the Mini Brands Disney Store Edition.
If you hear noise, it's because the cat's in the box.
Oh yeah.
Satisfying. Blind bags. Oh, there's a lot of them. In my Pop Blitz thing, I got Buzz Lightyear. So I'm kind of hoping I get another one of those.
You get 5 little bags.
I about squished this one. Aw, he's
That's
cute.
Cuter than the little pineapple figures.
I got Star Wars.
Yay! Who is that?
I don't know. Boba Fett. I've heard his name. Just don't know who he is.
Oh, I got Yoda.
I got like a little note. Oh, it's a little gift card. It's as big as my nail.
I think he wobbles.
Nope.
Oh, I saw it.
Oh,
Doctor Strange.
Woody.
You got Woody?
He's like running out of the box. He's cute.
There's Doctor Strange.
Okay, why are these on clearance? They're so cute.
Another Star Wars.
I got Moana.
I'm Darth Vader.
Darth Vader?
Oh, she's a baby.
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Hello.
Surprise! Oh man, it's more Star Wars.
Yeah. Oh, that was pretty cool though. I think
You got Darth Vader too.
yeah, mine's a different Darth Vader.
That's just a helmet.
I think my favorite. Alright, can we pause right here?
Yeah.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody.
Ouch. Okay.
Fill the fridge.
Surprise! I got kombucha. Or kombucha. I don't know.
Kombucha.
No. Well,
I got chocolate syrup.
Hers is so tiny.
No. Eggplant.
Natural Choice Deli Ham.
Yummy.
I got
turkey?
frozen chicken.
I got the Olipop.
oh, boring.
I don't like those. Yummy.
Jello.
Panda Express.
Oh. Jello.
Broccoli.
Oh my God! What the?
Ew.
Where she's up in there.
Eggos.
It's a little pretzel magnet. Let's go. Milk.
I got milk too.
Really? Mm-hmm. Twins. Shredded hash browns.
Wait a minute. I did get a magnet.
A little tea kettle. Oh, you got Naked Christopher. What is Naked Christopher? I got Georgie.
I think Christopher is weird looking.
He's so stupid. Munchlings.
I got a little ice cream holder and a plate. This one smells like your orange fudgesicle. I got Dory.
Be in the Tramp, right?
I smell this one.
Mint ice cream sandwich.
I'm not mad about those.
That one smells like mint. What is that?
I don't know.
Do you want to smell these?
Smell mine. Yeah.
Shoo, what the hell is that? That's like rotten eggs.
Oh, it's a salmon rice ball.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, it smells like rotten eggs though. That
It smells like garlic.
Yeah, it stinks.
That one smells fruity. Mini brands create.
Hopefully we don't lose the instructions on how to make them, because I did lose my instructions. Disappearing into the abyss.
Yay! Let's find out.
Chef hat.
Oh, that looks like the Master Chef logo.
Oh, it's a blue light to cure them.
Oh my god.
Oh, what in the world? So right off the bat,
It is Master Chef.
yeah,
I didn't know that. Oh,
right off the bat, I have some strawberries.
yummy.
Literally 3 in a step.
Master Chef. A little pouch of something. Wait, is that what you had? The little pastries?
Yes. They're cute though.
And strawberries. I think we got the same one.
Well, I'm pretty sure we did. It's a bummer. I wanted to see what else they had to offer.
Something. Tongs. Sliced almonds.
Oh, I got books. Recipe books. So on it and so forth. Cream.
Chocolate sauce.
Yeah. Yeah. Almonds. Tongs. Wait a minute.
Who are you?
Oh, there it is. You come out with this cute little. Sucks.
Oh, it's a Stitch water
I got a
bottle.
water bottle too.
I like those.
Yeah. I completely missed the camera for a second. How these packages stay flat too.
It's Mickey Mouse.
Mouse. Got Venom.
I like Venom.
He's very muscular. Oh, you got a bag. You got a gift bag. I got Sally.
Oh, from, what was it called? Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yeah, Nightmare Before Christmas.
Shopping bag. Oh, it's frozen.
No, stop, because I just got a frozen pencil case.
Oh my gosh, does it have pencils in it?
It's got something in it.
This has words in it.
Ancient. Long ago, atop a mountain high above the kingdom of Arendelle, a group of strong men were hard at work.
It's the whole story. The Darth Vader helmet.
I got Doctor Strange. I got a pickle.
Oh,
And a hoodie.
what? Kitty Otter. I don't know how we're gonna go about doing this.
I don't either. It's kind of like the Doorables. You have like 5 doors though.
Oh, we do get 5? Mm-hmm. Yay.
So we got the same one.
It's cute though. It's in a little hoodie.
He's cute though. He's like a little fox.
In a little red hoodie.
He's cute.
These are supposed to be glow, right?
Yep.
A yellow one.
He's kind of cute.
That one's cute.
Yeah, this one's kind of cute.
It has a heart on it.
Aww. He's got a little bow tie.
I think I like the plushies more though.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of those. I'm not gonna buy those again. Okay, we got a special guest now. Okay,
Next for the food.
it's the food. He's scared of thunder. Let's count how many we have this time, because I have popped it. I have 6 also. So maybe I popped it and lost it. I have a pretzel.
Little bag of bread. Oh, I got the strawberry syrup to go with my chocolate syrup.
Turmeric shot.
Jello.
I have one of them waters that you like pop the top. It's like Asian or something. I don't know.
I have actual water.
I have hickory smoked barbecue sauce.
Yummy. More eggplant.
I have a double. Yeah, I have a double too. The very first one.
Soy sauce.
I have fish.
Oh.
Fresh fish.
Lamb chops.
Mayonnaise. So we opened all of them.
Now we have the fridge.
The final, finale. Finale. They just got put out. I was the first one to buy it.
It's on.
It is on. Okay, ready?
Right. Oh, there's nothing in the freezer.
Running during the night.
I think
Oh, when you shut it, it turns off.
it's a real fridge.
Open that one first.
We can assemble our fridge.
Yeah.
Shelves are in the fridge and on the door.
And the freezer was already put together. You got Olipop,
Another Olipop,
ice scooper,
ice scooper, watermelon magnet.
watermelon,
Cute.
ice scooper. We have one more bag, and the video is complete.
Oh. Jelly glue.
Oh, so we got the same one. Oh, I got a mini bag inside of a mini bag. And a jelly glue. 3 orange slices. And I think you're supposed to make it, and then you can put it in the fridge.
Make some Jello. Little orange slice. All right, we're gonna build our Jello.
20 to 25 minutes?
My Jello's making right now.
Did you turn it upside down?
What do you mean?
You weren't supposed to turn it upside down.
What do you mean?
You were supposed to turn it in there and leave it like that.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put my food in my fridge.
Oh, yeah.
You turn this around. All right, there is my fridge. Got some shredded hash browns in the bottom. Eggplant and broccoli. Water, milk, Panda Express. The Jello is curing. Lamb chops, kombucha, syrups, lollipops, soy sauce, and Jello.
My salmon bowl, eggplant, ham, Jello, my Jello, Olipop, the Asian water, milk, all my condiments. And in the freezer, I have my fish, my chicken, my ice cream, my ice scoopers in there, and then Eggos. That was everything we had. Thanks for watching.